Hello, I'm in a 2021 Nissan Versa, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first, make sure it's on, which this currently is. And then once everything's booted here, a couple ways you could get there, but you can go through your phone option here. You can go through connections as well. And then there's a limited number of phones you can have stored, so you might need to delete one before you can add a new one. But we'll let this add new. And then here, now it's going to the pairing, so make sure your device is on and your Bluetooth's on, and often if you press and hold that, it'll take you to the pairing menu. And as it says here, we're looking for my Versa, which just popped up. Sometimes this takes a few tries, might need to restart your phone, restart the car, but typically works right away. And then these random numbers do match, so we'll hit pair. And now we're connected. So now you should be able to take phone calls, messages, listen to music, sync up maps and things like that as well. Often works. And then let's say you need to delete one. We can go settings. There's make sure your Bluetooth's on. And then I'm over clicked one. So do this info. Here you can delete the phone. Yes. And then that just frees up a spot for you. And then once this is finished too, if you're having issues with your music playing from your phone, double check that the volume's on your device. And here too, you can always sync up your messages, your phone books, things like that, make it easier for taking phone calls. But yeah, if you're having issues, you should make sure the volume's on everything. That's one area that might get you. Then you can click through your audio as well in the source here. So in here you can make sure you've got your Bluetooth for where you're trying to play music from. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.